Hi, it's Lee from Nextbase. I'm going to talk to you about our 380GW front channel dashcam and the 380GWX, which also includes a rear channel dashcam. They've been specifically designed for our approved vehicle manufacturer partnerships and have a VCA Automotive Grade A certification. Both models give peace of mind and security to any vehicle owner. With Full HD 1080p recording, intelligent parking mode, Wi-Fi and GPS, whilst maintaining a very discreet look and feel, it is the ideal dashcam for any vehicle owner wanting to protect their investment. Let's take a closer look. Giving vehicle owners peace of mind and security whether they are driving their vehicle or it's parked and left unattended. Intelligent parking mode with the optional backup battery ensures that when the ignition is off, the vehicle is protected. There's inbuilt Wi-Fi, meaning you can download and share footage straight to your smartphone via the Nextbase Cam Viewer app, available on Android and iOS. As you can see from this glorious full 1080p high definition quality footage, it really makes sure you capture all those important details like number plates, traffic directions and road signs. The Nextbase app stores all the footage you want to keep and share. It features Superfast GPS, allowing you to track your journey on Google Maps and pinpoint exactly where an incident happened and the speed it happened at. Potentially critical information for any insurance claim, no matter who is at fault. With a lot of crash for cash scams on the roads, this could be vital evidence for any potential claim. What's really fun for me today is that I get to open a 380GWX. So of course we have our front camera and we also have our rear camera. We also have a cable to connect that front camera to the rear camera. You'll also get the hardwire installation kit so you can fit this to any vehicle. You'll also get the 3M mount with additional pads in case you change your vehicle to connect that front camera. Also a cable to connect this to your PC. You also get a Nextbase 32GB microSD card and a backup battery. You'll also get a Windows sticker so that everyone knows your car is protected by Nextbase. But enough in the studio, I want to see it in action. It's very easy to covertly install a 380GW with the supplied hardwire kit. The cables slot in around the side of the vehicle and connect to the vehicle's fuse box for the power. No vehicle wires are cut or affected when the Nextbase 380GW is installed professionally by your car dealership. And the 380GWX includes a 6.5 meter cable to connect the rear-facing camera to the front-facing camera. As soon as I turn the ignition on, the dashcam starts recording, as you can see here. The red triangle button is the file protection button. When you press it, the button will illuminate red, indicating the file is protected, giving you extra peace of mind. It's discreet and fits neatly at the top of the windscreen with the adhesive mount. The cables are neatly hidden away, so it has that factory installed look and feel. By having a unique lens with 90-degree vertical adjustment, this is the only dashcam suited to any vehicle. And for the 380GWX version, the rear camera fixes neatly to the rear windscreen. There's also intelligent parking mode. Even when the vehicle is left unattended with the ignition turned off, the sensors inside the camera can detect the slightest movement, and the dashcam will power on and start recording a 1-minute video. The file is automatically protected, and this is perfect to check for supermarket shopping trolley dings and car park incidents. And what's so great about having one of these in your vehicle is being able to prove fault in an incident. With clear video footage, you as a motorist can clearly see who was at fault, whether it was day or night. Such accuracy can save vehicle owners hundreds of pounds in excess and split liability claims. It can also reduce insurance claim time. By having the video footage from a Nextbase dashcam, the claims process can be reduced from months to just a few days, meaning that your vehicle can be back on the road faster. It also protects the vehicle owner against fraud. Honest motorists are taking the financial and emotional hit from scams. Reports suggest that crash for cash is still on the rise, so the need for an independent witness is at its most important. You can also save money on your vehicle insurance by having a Nextbase dashcam installed. The initial outlay of a dashcam can easily pay for itself with some of the insurance discounts being offered. Do check with your provider. Motorists who can prove that an incident wasn't their fault are protected from premium increases, whilst also protecting their no claims bonus.